badass. Can I do a lay back grind? My ankles hurt.
Damn.
T done fucking killed it though.
Yeah. So how do you like St. Cloud?
Like a sloppy beach.
Ooh, good answer.
Yeah. Oh.
Yo, we in the wetlands in St. Cloud, Minnesota right now.
I don't even know where we at.
Walking back. Oh shit, we got rocks up there? Got some shit, you know. St. Cloud, Minnesota. Drinking water, watching slam dunk for dude. Slam dunks all day. Oh, and Alex Hungerford.
You done such a good job.
rest of them. Let the crowd choose who can fucking last longer. It's the rap manga, rap monster, Earl Sweat, attack, conquer, lose, lease. Niggas lost like the last Blanca Chica that we picked up at the last concert. Please get out your seat, get out your seat. Verses written with scalpers. He's a junior king standing out, shouting on the balcony. How come he's not in counseling? Fuck is loud while he sound asleep. Heard he was dope with Sour D. Nigga, was courage cowardly? Stay gold, alchemy. Nigga, we raps alpha team. It's the team, Mr. T with a mouth full of powder and a nose full of chowder. He's chopping up all the doubters. See, now watch him count the bodies like bitches be counting calories.
Fuck with the wolves, we starting to bark viciously. Catch us in a pile of bodies with dead bitches beat. Box logo hoodies and goodies from buddies that understand that bastard was buzzing like Woody, so we get it for free. Had to duct tape the mother goose, the mask was off. I stumbled down the hills, then I had Jill jack me off. Harder than my dick when Taylor Swift is in my basement. Cause I've been doing this since Pooh fucked Christopher Robinson. Wolfgang knitted on my cotton like some smelly, dirty, rotten nigga picked it from a cotton gin. Do not give a fuck, I got the swagger of a virgin's dick. But if I did, it would be bigger than Earl's upper lip. Sip scissor, sup primo my shizzard. I munch a bunch of tacos with Waverly's favorite wizard. The favorite nigga, Freddy and this that raw shit, dead body chopped up in the sewer. From the palms of Jeffrey Dahmer, baby mama said the kicks beat like the brown lip bomb that was made for Rihanna. All you fucking blogging faggots yapping up that extra shit I shove bastard down your throat, regurgitate my excrement. Them two dope boys is fairies and Peter like boys and berries. Meek is scary, turn his white ass to a Jim Carrey twin. A fucking sausage fest with them shaky niggas get married in. Two dope boys don't want beef, they're just overweight vegetarians. Fucking faggots. Wolfgang. Kill them all. Don't give a fuck, litter life. Girl sweatshirt. Tyler the Creator. Wolf Haley. Fucking radical.
Niggas murdering shit, know what I'm saying? I'm future Wolfgang, know what I'm saying? Fuck them dope faggots, my niggas. You don't give a fuck, nigga. You a wolf pack, my nigga. We keep you up barking and shit, nigga. Niggas, little niggas doing it big, know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas is like 40 and shit, still in the game. These young niggas coming out of nowhere taking all that shit, know what I'm saying? Give me an ice style motherfucking future donut chain like fuck everybody else, nigga. Wolfgang.